Mildred.
Oh.
I'm coming. Hold on. Who's calling this time of day? I'm coming. Hello? Oh, Uncle Henry. Oh, it was me? Yeah, I called you last night. I wanted to talk to you again about Mildred. Oh, Uncle Henry, I'm so concerned about Mildred. My sister Mildred? Oh, Uncle Henry, Mildred is doing the most around here. She's just spending money left and right. The money Mildred found. Oh, Uncle Henry, she's like losing her mind. You think Mildred is crazy? You ought to see her now. Oh my God, Uncle Henry, it's a mess around here. She's buying all these Amazon packages. They coming in all day, every day. I know, Uncle Henry, but it's not right to keep money that don't belong to you. Oh, I know you're always taking Mildred's side. Would you just come over and see Mildred, please? Just come talk to her. You know that money may be something for somebody that's really important. I know what, she's been asking about your macaroni and cheese. Maybe you can call.
Oh, you telling a lie, Melvenia! I don't want none of that nasty macaroni and cheese. Finish what you went and done. Hey, I'm home.
Are you wearing? Looking like some hip-hop demon or something.
What?
You look crazy.
What you mean what I'm wearing? Melvenia, please don't hate. We're still 2Sisters and there is no debate. I may look fly and everything, but see, this is what money can really bring. So don't hate Melvenia, the hyena.
Mildred, your mind is jilted?
Oh, goodness.
Where is your cane?
Oh, you know what the scripture says, that money heals all things. Oh, I got healed when I was in Macy's. Hey!
Mildred, you
Yes,
went
I
to
did.
Macy's? God, give me this stuff.
Oh, goodness, I'm so tired. I'm so tired,
All of
man.
this stuff you bought.
They gave me this
Trip.
because I spent $1,000. They gave me this new scarf. Oh, it's nice. And some guy was on the street dancing, and he put his head on my head, and I started dancing with him, Melvenia.
This ain't right, Mildred. This just ain't right.
This how rich people do. They go shopping all day, and they get tired, and they be enjoying themselves. And for once, I know what it feels like to go in the store and don't have to worry about how much I spend. You ought to try it sometime.
Well, Mildred, you need to worry about it. That money doesn't belong to you.
What you mean it doesn't belong to me?
Somebody lost that money, and you need to return that money.
It got Benjamin Franklin on there. He's dead. George Washington, he's dead. I am the beneficiary. Thank you. It belongs to me.
You should have tied that little ugly hat down with a hat pin or something.
They told me I had to wear it to the side like this. It make me look dope.
Oh, Mildred, you look silly.
Oh, silly. That's the new look. I don't look silly.
You're too old for all of that, Mildred. Give me that money. I'm going to return that money because I'm going to call the police, Mildred. That's just the bottom line.
I'm not.
I'm calling the police.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Not over my rich body.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I said, no, you're not.
I said, yes, I am.
But no, you're not. You're not doing it.
You just watch me. And you better not pull that gun out on me again, Mildred. I'm so surprised at you, how you pulled that gun out on your sister.
Well, I was so surprised of you, Melvenia, wanting us to turn that money in. You know we've been poor all our life. This is the first time for us to move it on up like George Jefferson.
We're not moving on up. And if we do, it's because it's going to be the goodness Amazon in here, I'm gonna shove it up your rear end. Mildred.
Daddy, look at they out there. They out there. I hear them knocking. Please go get my Amazon box and then call a popo. Oh, please. Oh, sister. Oh, see, if you had something that's moving money, you'll be moving fast. Money make you move fast.
And the woman
Don't shake it.
You done gone and lost your last crazy mind.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Mildred,
goodness.
how much did that cost, girl?
Oh, don't worry about it. It's my money. Oh, I'm just surrounded by all this luxury stuff. Oh, this is so nice.
6, 7, 8 bags for crime. Mildred, you gone and lost your mind. Sister, we can't keep spending the money.
Oh, yes.
You know we're saved and sanctified. We gotta do what's right. You know sometimes the Lord be all up in me. What?
Ain't no Lord be up in you. That's all that food you eat. Ain't no Lord.
I'm calling the police.
Oh, just call them.
We gotta return it, sister. We just do.
Oh, I'm gonna return it all right. Just call them.
Hello?
Give them this money. That's my money.
This
What's
is
wrong with them?
now.
Losers, weepers. Mildred is gonna keep it.
How you know?
No, that's not our name. It's
Would
not
you
our
please
name.
come? We found some money.
She crazy. She lying. She got a lying spirit. Yes, she do.
This is
goodness.
Mildred and Melvenia Hickabout. And we 2 sisters, and we are honest people. And we always do what's right. And we found some money. My sister Mildred dug some money out of the flower bed and had this homeless man sitting up in there. Could be his, you know. And we're going to return it. 2222 Ponderosa. Would you please hurry? Please hurry, sir.
I can't wait till he get here. I'm gonna show you in here. Calling the police on me. I can remember the day that you would call the police on your sister.
Mel, just shut up sometimes.
You think I would really shoot you when I pull that gun out on you?
You probably will.
I would have shot you in the leg. I wouldn't have shot you in your heart.
Well, maybe you should turn around and shoot yourself in the head, Mildred. You can't keep these people's money. Somebody could have lost that money who really needed it. Suppose it's somebody's inheritance.
Well, it's my inheritance now.
Oh, Mildred.
He said he'll open up a window and he'll pull you out a blessing. That's my blessing. It just fell right on the ground on the church grounds.
Well, we
And
can
I found
open
it.
up a window and push you out of it, Mildred. Ooh, they're here.
Oh, that's, who is it?
Officer Johnson.
Oh, that's my officer. Oh my, oh, hide some of this stuff.
How did
Yeah.
they get the stuff,
Oh,
Mildred?
goodness. Oh, they not confiscating my stuff. I shot too hard. We coming. All right. Hold your gun. We coming.
Open up the door.
Oh, let me fix your lipstick. Oh, goodness. Oh, so you can be pretty for him. Oh, let me see. Do like that. You shouldn't have called him. Oh, my goodness. You done brought the gangster out of me. Oh, Lord. Have mercy. I'm saved and sanctified. You got me tied up my own sister. Let me just be quiet. I got this. We coming. Oh, it's you again.
Yes, it's me again, Mrs. Hickenbotham.
Oh, how you doing, officer? Now, what's your name, Officer Leroy?
No, my name is Officer Johnson. And why do y'all keep calling the station? You called. How many times have I been out here? And I almost raped kid.
Yeah.
You almost got robbed, or you say you got robbed.
Yeah, we
You got $10,000 worth of merchandise that's supposed to be missing.
Yeah, no, you got that wrong, officer. That wasn't 10,000, it was 20,000, and
so, Miss Hickenbottom.
Yeah, and then you know they robbed us and stuff and took all our stuff in our big screen TV. Yeah, and now she called you because we was working in the church garden and we found some money and we want to return it out of the goodness of our
Why is she
heart.
all taped up and all tied down?
Oh, see, Melvenia took after our dad. She got a lot of male hormones, and this is the way she shaved. We pull it off, and the hairs come off.
Why is she tied up then?
Well, because sometimes she get anxious, and she want it off before time, and I have to tie her hand so she won't take off the tape before time.
Hickenbottom women are too much.
I know, but she be real pretty when we finish. Yeah.
She will?
Yeah, she will. Look, anyway, here go the money so you can be on your way.
What money?
That we found in the garden. We told you the lost and found. Here we go. I think it to be exact, it was $40 and it's got some change in there.
You calling me over here for $40 is some shame.
Well, yeah.
My name is Officer Johnson, ma'am. I told you before. $40
Oh, it's okay.
is some change.
Yeah, that's what we found.
This ain't worth the report.
Oh, yes it is. Wait, let's see what she said. Okay. Just calm down. No, what you say? What, you saying something?
That hurts.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What you?
Look, she found it.
Yeah, she so, yeah. She just wanted to tell you we found the money and we wanted to give it to you. She got it. I gave it back to her.
Gave me
It's
$40
okay.
and some change. I have
She
to
get
write a
emotional when we be
report.
honest. Yeah, it's,
I'm kind of glad you taped up.
yeah. Sometimes she does act up, but it's okay. I gave it to him. I gave him the $40 and the change that we found. And because we wanted to be honest, because we're good churchgoers. And we'll be honest, we give back. And we found it on the church grounds, so we're going to turn it over.
What? Okay, I got it. I put it in my report.
All right,
I'm about
you do
to
that.
leave.
All right, you do that. Do that. Okay, and thank you. And anyway, find our stuff.
What about now, Miss Hickenbottom?
You know, you got our stuff. Have you, what's the word, Melvenia?
Confiscate.
Yeah, that word, confiscated. Have you confiscated all our stuff that they stole from us?
Oh, you're talking about the prior burglary. Well,
Yeah.
we probably won't even be able to recover that. I'm sorry to report that to you. But at the same time, you guys already got a $10,000 report that y'all can get with the insurance, which I don't think is worth it.
And I told you, it's not 10,000, it's 20,000. I'm gonna have to talk to your chief. Yeah. Oh, what?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Well, anyway, I got the report for this, and I'm going to turn it into the chief, and we'll take it from there, ma'am. I appreciate you Hickenbottom women, but please stop calling so much.
We're so sorry, but our tax money pay you every time you come out here.
Well, I tell you, tax money, I want to raise.
Okay, we'll do that. I'll give you a raise. And look, by the way, you know that guy that almost took our goods and stuff? And when we ran, we left our shoe, one of our shoes, and he mailed it back to us. And he know where we live.
So what that's supposed to be? You're glad he returned your shoes.
No, that means he gonna come back for the second time and try to take all our goods. And he gonna try to take all her goods and all of my goods
I
and
think that's the
stuff.
reason why he put you out of the car, ma'am. I don't think he was trying to take your goods.
He was trying to take our goods. He started taking off our scarf and our jewelry and all of that. And he almost took my wig.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
There are some desperate people out there.
Yeah, so can you tell your chief, can y'all do a 24-hour protection program? Can y'all put me on a protection program? Because they want us some bad.
I want to let you know you made me the laughing stock of the department when I went there and asked my chief for an almost rape kit that don't exist.
What? We almost did got raped.
Well, there's no kit for it, ma'am.
Well, y'all need to make one.
I'm leaving. Thank you. Oh, I'm glad you taped up anyhow.
Okay.
And my name is Officer Johnson, not Officer Leroy. Big mouth.
All right. Well, okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, officer. See you later. See you next time. And please don't come back here unless you got our stuff. Did you hear me?
Yes, I heard you, ma'am.
All right. You see? So we gave the money back. Yeah, we did. We done gave the money back. I did what you wanted. What? Oh my goodness. Oh, Melvenia. You look kind of cute. You look like mama now. You used to look like daddy. Shut up. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with you? The neighbors gonna think we going crazy over here. The police just left over here. You know what? You crazy. I've had enough of this. I'm tired of shopping. You know, being rich. It come with a lot of pain. I'm so tired of being rich. I'm so glad I ain't poor. You know what? I'm gonna take me and this rich body. We're gonna take my bath. And I'm supposed to go to bed. I see you in the morning. Oh, yes, I am. Bye, Melvenia. I'm gone. Melvenia, the hyena. You wanna go call the police? You sit up in here by yourself. Lights out.